Morning, Facebook. Anthony here. We're down here in Davidson, North Carolina to do a screen and recoat. It's a big project. It's going to be a great episode, so stay tuned. Let me take you inside. I'll show you what we're up against. These beautiful, solid hardwood floors. Our client found us on Google, and they're just moving in. And we're here to give these floors an update. They're in really great shape. There's some minor scratching and, just a few things. They're aware that this is not a full sand, but we're just gonna get some new protection on here. We're going with 𝐬𝐫𝐞 Duo, 2-component. Got a little bit of wear here in the hallway. But as you can see, the floors are in really good shape. So all this area I just walked through, this big kitchen. You see I already did my test for my grit. Down this hallway. And then back here, they had some kind of bench, I guess, here that was removed. And they must have screwed it or nailed it into the floor. So I'm gonna putty all these holes for them across this floor. And then they must have just added this new quarter on, and I'm gonna try to stain that a little bit darker because it kind of stands out compared to everything else. But other than that, the floor's in really great shape. We get some new protection down here. It's gonna look fantastic. And we're not doing the stairs, but we are doing this upper hall. And I guess the mover's moving out. Scratched the floor really bad right here. And another company came in and tried to just some hard wax in here. And that's definitely not coming out without a full sand, and they are aware of that. And then we got some more damage over here. You can see these like indentations. That's definitely not coming out with a screening coat. Really bad right here, all through here. We'll start up here, get this screened, work my way down. Anywho, stay tuned. We'll show you some progress and results as always. Screen, Gray's vacuuming, and he's hitting the corners as we go. We do these by hand because our machine doesn't fit there. Behind the registers, we can't reach, with the machines. So Ray goes ahead and takes care of screening that by hand. A lot of hands and knees work gets done on this job also. We just don't leave that. We take care of it by hand for our clients. Anyway, see like right here, the machine doesn't get close to those corners good. Ray will take care of it like that. All right, guys. Stay tuned, we're gonna come back and show you guys some progress. Everything is screened. Ray is vacuuming. We are gonna do our tacking. And then we're gonna start laying some poly. Man, oh man, is this job gonna come out fantastic. Clean and tacking right now. And my oh my, look how good these floors are gonna turn out. All right guys, we got the urethane going down on the upstairs hallway. Look how good that's gonna look. This is a satin finish, so it won't dry shiny like this. It's wet right now. Alrighty, stay tuned. I'll show you when it's dry. Alrighty, feast your eyes on this. Look at the results of this floor. Looks like a brand new floor. Fill those holes in. I stain that molding the best I can. All the holes are filled. Look at this floor. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at this job. She's gonna be so happy. Alrighty. Once again, as always, thanks for watching. If you need your floors screen recoated, a one-day service, get some great protection back on the floors, give us a call, 704-534-7632. You'll be glad you did.